It was ranging between half an hour to an hour and a half of time that was being added on because of the additional paperwork. Encircle, the half an hour became 10 minutes. The hour and a half became almost half an hour. We were looking for some type of a inventory tracking solution. We went through everything. We saw that none of those softwares were even close to what we needed it to do. Stumbled across Encircle. He said, that's it, that's what we want. That's exactly what we want. Encircle was as easy as taking a selfie. That's the way I describe it to my guys. That if you can take a selfie, you can use Encircle. My guys love it because it's less time consuming. It's very efficient for them. My admin side, those are the guys that do all of the background work. So they put in all the details and prepare the reports. They too, it's been very easy for them. We get requests like, oh my God, I packed all my passports. We were able to say, okay, here's a family room. Here's box number 202. This one, a 3-hour search became a 3-minute search. We were able to show them the before and after pictures, and it sort of alleviated a lot of stress, from the aspect of us having to be responsible for the damage because it was already pre-existing. Previous to Encircle, it was difficult for us to even suggest that there was water damage to the sofa legs. Why did we consider it non-stop? But now we had actual evidence right there on the spot via the picture. And then the report structure, giving you a cost behind it, it sort of simplified not only our process, but I'm guessing even for the adjuster. So I always get all of my techs who are out on the fields, they must understand how to use Encircle from start to finish because it is such an intricate part of our business.